Hello there everyone. Are you a parent, grandparent, uncle or aunt that has a fabulous creative young person who loves to colour? Well, if you do, we are giving them a chance to win at some fabulous prizes. We at Altenew are running a kids colouring contest again this year with lots of fun crafty prizes up for grabs. Wondering how to enter? Well, it's super easy. We will be sending free colouring pages with every order placed on our site from now until September 30th. If you are buying some Altenew goodies during this time frame, you automatically have a chance to enter. Simply wait for the colouring pages to arrive in the mail, have your little ones colour them with their favourite colours and then upload a picture of their artwork on social media using the hashtag AltenewKids. If you don't have social media, you can also upload your artwork to our blog, altenewblog.com. We will randomly be selecting 16 winners to receive some amazing crafting goodies, and your child or grandchild could be one of them. We love getting inspired by all of the creative young people out there, and we can't wait to see what the Altenew kids come up with. Winners will be announced on the 7th of November 2020. Good luck everyone! Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!